welcome back to the channel. Now another 11 plus question to begin with, but we've kind of simplified it. We made it a bit smaller first, and then we'll make it bigger at the end. So to begin with, we've got, if I write out all the numbers from 1 to 20, how many digits will I have written? So all we've got to do is work out, well, there are some 1-digit numbers there, and there are 2-digit numbers there. And all we've got to do is just count up basically how many digits there are in total, and we have our answer. So what we know is that the digits from 1 to 9, or numbers from 1 to 9, they only have one digit, right? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So they all have one digit, and in total there are 9 numbers there. So there's 9 numbers, which means there are 9 digits. But then when we hit 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, etc., all the way up to 20, those are all 2-digit numbers. So how many numbers are there from 10 to 20? Well, everyone normally says there's 10 numbers there, but actually there isn't. And I'm going to write it out to show you. So if you think about this, you've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So if we count these up real quickly, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers. So again, you've got to be really careful there, because a lot of people will say, well, between 10 and 20, there's got to be 10 numbers. And there is 10 numbers between 10 and 20, but you've got to include the 10 that you start at as well. And that's why there are 11 numbers in total. So over here, there are 11 numbers. And each of them has 2 digits. And so that means in total there are 22 digits. So if there are 22 digits from those numbers and 9 from these numbers, then in total you'll have 31 digits written on your page. So that's a nice small example to look at. But now what happens when you make this bigger? So let's say we change the question and we'll make it maybe numbers from, let's go 1 to 300. So let's try that. So let's quickly rub this out. Okay. So we'll change this, we'll make that. There you go, hopefully you can see that. That's 1 to 300 now. So we'll start again. Well, the numbers from 1 to 9, they've all got one digit. We know the numbers from 10 all the way up to 99 will all have 2 digits. And then we know the numbers from 100 all the way up to 300 will all have 3 digits. So, first of all, the numbers from 1 to 9. There are 9 numbers there. So I'm going to write that here. There are 9 numbers. And each number there is made of just one digit. And so in total, there will be 9 digits. Now from 10 to 99, be careful, do not fall into this trap again. A lot of people will say, well, there are 99 take away 10, 89 numbers. But there aren't. There's one more than that, always. So it's actually 90 numbers over here. And each of those numbers has 2 digits. So in total, there's going to be 180 digits from those 90 numbers. And now, between 100 and 300, how many numbers are there? So again, we could do 300 take away 100 is 200, but then always one more than that. So it's 2 201 numbers there. And each of those 201 numbers has 3 digits. So in total, how many digits would be there? That would be 603 digits. And so to find out how many digits we have in total, all we need to do is just add these 3 numbers together. So we'll have 603 plus 180 plus 9. And that leaves us with 792 digits in total.